How to limit group chat messages to admins only on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to restrict messaging in your group so only admins can send messages in the group. First, open Messenger on your Android device. After that, find and tap on the group chat you want to restrict. From there, tap on the group name or the info icon at the top of the chat to open the group info page. Right here, you'll land on a page showing all the details and settings for that group. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Support section. Next up, tap on Message Permissions to open the messaging control settings. Moving on, you'll see an option called Allow Message Sharing. This controls whether all members or only admins can send messages in the group. From here, go ahead and toggle it off to restrict messaging to admins only. After that, once the toggle is off, regular group members will still be able to read all the messages in the chat, but they won't be able to send anything. Only admins will have the ability to post. Following this, this is especially useful for announcement groups or large communities where you only want specific people to be able to communicate. Finally, if you ever want to open up messaging to everyone again, simply come back to the same setting and toggle Allow Message Sharing back on. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.